Hi, we're back at the project house. A lot has happened since we did our last update. It's always so exciting to come back and see how much progress has been made. With each visit, the house feels a little more like it's becoming what we imagined. As you can see, the place is down to the studs. As you might remember from some of the previous videos, there was a lot of debris around the house. Now, with everything cleared out, you can really see the original structure take shape. It's like peeling back the layers and finally getting a true sense of what this house was meant to be. One of the most noticeable changes this month has been working on taking down the roof. There was actually sort of a second roof on top of the original roof, so both of those have been removed. Another major piece that needed attention was the front deck, but now that it's gone, we can start thinking about how to rebuild it in a way that's structurally sound but still stays true to the original design. Now that all the demolition is finished and the house is stripped down to its bones, you can really begin to see the potential coming into focus. It's a clean slate for whatever happens next. So one of the things that we're working on this month is rebuilding the deck. It's a major structural update and an important step in restoring the original look and feel of the house. This time, instead of using wood like the old deck, we're switching to steel. It's going to be much stronger, more durable, and better suited for the desert climate. Coming up, they're going to bring in the big steel beams, and that will require a crane. So at the same time, we're going to remove the baby grand piano that's been on site since I bought the house. Well, we don't even know how they got it into the house. And the only way we could figure out to get it out of the house was with a crane. So we waited until the steel was coming in so that we can combine those two things into one day. It's been a month of progress and the transformation is underway. And now it finally has a name. We're calling it Soleil House by Trina Turk. So thanks for being here for this update. And stay tuned for what happens next.